If you struggle with making past sentences, then this video is for you. Yes, stop memorizing rules. Just listen to this story and let your brain observe the past tense sentences naturally. Don't think about grammar, just listen. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I help you speak English that sounds real and natural. Today I'm sharing a story about a day that started normal but ended with a big surprise. It's a little bit of a love story. Last Friday, I walked into my favorite cafe. It was raining, so I carried a big umbrella. I ordered a hot chocolate and looked for a seat. The cafe was very crowded. Suddenly, I tripped over a bag, dropped my drink. I felt so embarrassed, but then a guy jumped up to help me. He picked my cup and handed me some napkins. He smiled and said, "Don't worry, I'm clumsy too." We started talking. We discovered we both liked the same music. We chatted for 2 hours. Before I left, he asked for my number. I blushed and gave it to him. My bad day turned into the best day. Did you hear the action? Worked, ordered, tripped, smiled, chatted. Every time I told you what happened, I used the ed sounds. It's just the easiest way to talk about your life. Just add the D or T sounds at the end. Now it's your turn. Have you ever met someone special in a funny way? Or what did you do for fun yesterday? Tell me in one sentence in the comments and subscribe for more, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.